The BattleNet crew is dedicated to simplifying cargo transport, introducing Barricade, a distinctive crossbar designed to secure boxes, crates, and other loads during transit. Crafted with special nets made from military-grade materials, renowned as the strongest available, these nets aren't just suitable for the cargo bed but also for the roof rack. The largest net spans an impressive 4.6 by 4.6 meters. Such is their durability that these nets were even showcased as decorations during the premiere screening of the movie Extraction 2. Now when it comes to pickup truck containers, there's no shortage on the market. But let's face it, many of them are a hassle to access, which isn't exactly convenient. So, why not flip the script and have containers come to you instead? That's precisely what the brains behind the BoxAM system have done. Their innovation has struck a chord, boasting an ingenious design and an impending patent. What's more, it's a breeze to install. All it takes is one person. With a maximum load capacity of 122 kilograms, these containers are not only waterproof but also glide seamlessly from one end of the platform to the other in just 12 seconds. Now, if you're looking to transport something hefty like a quad, the BoxAM can be partially disassembled for your convenience. However, it's important to note that this system is primarily geared towards containers and isn't intended to double up as a makeshift crane. Plus, to secure your pre-order for the BoxAM, it'll set you back $100. Elon Musk has his sights set on an ambitious transformation for the Tesla Cybertruck, envisioning it as an amphibious vehicle. However, such modifications don't come cheap, prompting the question, where will the funding come from? One intriguing option is this Tesla kit, priced at $2,975. This kit offers a novel twist, converting the Cybertruck into a makeshift camper. The setup is remarkably swift, with the tent erecting in just a matter of minutes using a pump. Included in the kit are poles, an awning, a repair kit, and a set of brackets. When folded, everything neatly stows away in the Cybertruck's trunk. But when unfolded, it offers comfortable accommodations for several people. If the previous option doesn't quite catch your interest, and you're not eyeing a Cybertruck, perhaps it's worth exploring the offerings from 27 North. This company is known for crafting top-tier motorhomes like the Ascender. Take, for instance, their 30A model, constructed on a Ford F550 chassis with four-wheel drive and numerous enhancements. Equipped with solar panels boasting a capacity of 1200 watts, a fully furnished kitchen, a shower room, a cozy double bed, a spacious fridge, and heating, the Ascender truly leaves little to be desired. However, luxury of this caliber does come at a price, with the Ascender commanding a starting price of at least $750,000. Introducing a nifty solution from DewEze Industries, perfect for hauling a forklift atop a Ford 350. With a hydraulic lift and a trailer boasting a low center of gravity, this setup can be effortlessly managed by a single person. In the video, you'll see it handling a hefty 5-ton forklift. For those seeking more advanced features, DewEze Industries offers an upgraded version priced at approximately $45,000. Now, onto the second option, a more compact solution priced at just $899. This fifth wheel is tailored for trailers weighing around 8 tons. It's a breeze to detach, handy for freeing up space on the platform when needed. Plus, the rails allow for easy adjustment along the frame, ensuring optimal load distribution between the axles. DewEze Flatbeds debuted in the same year as the Apple Macintosh, and while Ridley Scott didn't direct any commercials for DewEze, these platforms continue to rival the popularity of Apple's computers. The manufacturer highlights DewEze's durability, stressing its suitability for heavy farm and ranch use, facilitating the loading and transportation of items like bags of fertilizer or hay bales. Equipped with a toolbox, lighting, and a factory-installed trailer hitch, the standard platform effortlessly fits various Dodge, Ford, and Chevrolet models, boasting a payload capacity of around 1.4 tons. With a price tag close to $14,500, it's a sturdy investment for any farm or ranch operation. Introducing another ingenious yet supremely practical innovation, folding steps designed specifically for pickup trucks. The necessity stems from the sheer height of many pickups, such as the towering F-350, which often stand nearly 3 meters tall. This height presents a considerable challenge when it comes to loading and unloading, even with the tailgate open. Enter the Easy Hitch step with its convenient mini stairs. Available in a top-tier version capable of supporting up to 136 kilograms, this solution prioritizes both strength and comfort. Crafted from robust steel, the 38 centimeters wide steps ensure stability and ease of use. Complete with fasteners, these mini stairs can be yours for a price tag of $626. If you find yourself with some spare cash after investing in those mini stairs we discussed earlier, why not consider this lighting system? The initial choice comes in at $27 for 1.5 meters, boasting 90 LEDs encased in a flexible rubber housing. It even includes adhesive tape for a hassle-free installation. This versatile solution is suitable for nearly any vehicle, be it trucks or motorhomes. All you need is a 12-volt power supply. Alternatively, there's the slightly pricier option at $36, which comprises 8 individual modules, each with 9 LEDs. The manufacturer guarantees a brightness 5 times superior to other comparable products, along with a lifespan of at least 50,000 hours. Ford's latest Ranger is being hailed as the epitome of versatility, drawing comparisons to the iconic Swiss Army knife. One of its standout features is the ingenious flexible rack system, crafted by Ford's Adept Australian division. For those acquainted with the rugged outback truckers, it's no surprise that Australians excel in cargo transportation solutions. Moreover, the FRS, flexible rack system, has been meticulously tailored to align with customer preferences. This innovative roof-mounted system boasts the capacity to carry up to 80 kilograms of dynamic load and a whopping 250 kilograms of static load. Thanks to the sliding FRS element positioned above the platform, even unwieldy items like boards, ladders, and canoes can be effortlessly transported. The acclaim for this innovation has been so resounding that Ford has taken steps to secure a patent for it. The standard MULTY model boasts a capacity of handling up to 454 kilograms of cargo, making it ideal for transporting boards, bicycles, or even a multi-person tent. It's no mere coincidence that manufacturers assert the MULTY will unleash the full potential of your vehicle. With handy accessories like ladders, toolboxes, and additional fasteners for kayaks or bicycles, its utility is further enhanced. Compatible with various makes and models, from the Ford Ranger to the Jeep Gladiator, installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling. Moreover, the basic MULTY version comprises just 3 components and is available for purchase at $1,050. In October 2023, a staggering 730,000 Ford FS Series vehicles were sold globally, indicating the widespread presence of pickups on roads worldwide. Luckily, for those looking to enhance their pickup's capabilities, a range of upgrades is readily available. Imagine transforming your vehicle into a dump truck. Well, now you can with a system priced at $1,700. This system allows you to effortlessly transport sand, dirt, crushed stone, and other bulk goods weighing up to 1.8 tons. Manufactured by the PS company, this system offers a distinct advantage over competitors by preserving the original appearance of the vehicle. What's more, it adheres to the high manufacturing standards set by the U.S. National Truck Equipment Association, ensuring quality and reliability. Now that's what I call genuine rack and roll, designed for moving motorcycles off-road with a rebellious flair. This system is as quick and straightforward as real rock music. The ingenious blend of turnbuckles, brackets, and shocks caught many experts off guard, yet rack and roll delivers flawless performance. You can pull off all sorts of stunts without fretting over the bike tumbling off. Plus, the sports version can handle a hefty 275 kilograms load, accommodating a couple of enduro motorcycles or a low ground clearance superbike. Operating rack and roll is a breeze for one person, thanks to the front wheel lock that stabilizes the bike while you secure it. Now, here's the twist: the only snag is the separate purchase of the ramp, priced at $395. However, it does come with a lighting kit, which is definitely a bonus. Switzerland is renowned for its commitment to education and research, with over 5% of its GDP allocated to education and more than 3% to research and development. It's no wonder the country is home to numerous companies spanning various industries, from robotics to automotive accessories. Among Switzerland's innovations is the X-Rack system, which revolutionizes debris and construction machinery transportation using standard pickup trucks. With a robust welded S355 steel structure capable of handling loads up to 1.2 tons, drivers can effortlessly load and unload via remote control, with the added safety of an emergency stop feature. What's remarkable is the X-Rack's compatibility with popular truck models like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, thanks to its modular design. This versatility allows the same vehicle to seamlessly switch between tasks by simply swapping out components, such as the waste hopper for a loading platform. Tramontina, renowned for its diverse product line ranging from pots and furniture to appliances and garbage cans, has now delved into crafting tool organizers tailored to ease motorists' lives. Take, for instance, their standard 1 meter wide model, equipped with 5 lockable drawers, offering approximately 3 square meters of storage space for spare parts, tools, and accessories. To tackle the nuisance of rattling, designers ingeniously incorporated the VibraStop system, effectively dampening vibrations. Additionally, rubber gaskets have been integrated to fend off dust infiltration. The bottom drawer, the largest of the lot, can bear a load of 40 kilograms, while the smaller top drawers each support 30 kilograms. With its impressive capacity and functionality, the creators tout it as an ideal solution for farmers. For larger vehicles, you need equally substantial upgrades. Introducing the SidePuller, a game-changer operated by a single individual. It effortlessly pulls, flips, and loads anything from passenger cars to giant shipping containers, depending on the model. Equipped with a winch supporting approximately 9 tons, akin to the Swiss system mentioned earlier, the SidePuller is remotely controlled. This means the driver doesn't have to be right at the spot, they can operate it from behind, from the sides, and even diagonally, without the need for stabilizer legs. Impressively capable, the modified legs address concerns about ground clearance. Priced at $36,000, it's important to emphasize that this product is exclusively intended for professional use.